Hey guys, so I'm looking a hot mess, but I'm back at it again. So this bathroom here is a half a bathroom. So this bathroom I have been planning on painting forever and kept putting it off, and I haven't been home on the weekend in a month. So I said, you know what, let me do this. And because this bathroom is small, it's not gonna be a big deal. Here's the deal. It's actually harder because it's small. Because the angle and trying to get like in the corners and all of that is more annoying versus if it was I had more room. And then I realized I don't have enough paint. So I am going to have to go to the store and get some more paint because it's not enough to finish this bathroom. But that's what I'm gonna do. And what am I reading? I am still reading Dickens. I'm almost done. And then I'm reading Real by Kennedy Ryan. I'm halfway in that. I love them. And if you know me, then you know this is my cup of tea, right? Because it is surrounding the Harlem Renaissance, because it's present day. But so hey guys, so I haven't used this vlogging camera that I'm on right now in months, and I don't know what happened, but it had cut me off. So anyway, I am reading people thought it was a historical fiction, and I'm glad I was able to get that cleared up before I start. But what is this book about? It is a romance, but it has some historical content in terms of we have a rookie actress. She's on Broadway, but she's an undertaker. She's never in a star role, but it just so happened that the woman who's the star of the show was out, so she had to replace her for a week. And during that time, she was able to get the attention of a director who is passionate about a movie that is based on a woman from the Harlem Renaissance era. So that's where the historical fiction comes in, and she was able to impress him, and he wanted to cast her. And she's a no-name. No one knows anything about her. So for him to have that passion about her, he had to really sell her to the producers and all the people that's involved in the movie. But doing that, he also find her very attractive and lovable, and other people find out about her. And she has a medical condition, but she also has things going on in her past that affects her, but he sees her beyond all that. So you see how they romance. It is a slow burn because I'm already like 200 pages in, and it's really nothing going on with them. So it is a slow burn, but I appreciate it because you focus more on the background story. I love the little bit of history on the dancers and performers that was dropped in it from that time period. You guys know how much I love the Harlem Renaissance era. I'm a big fan. I read a lot of the books, and I talk about it a lot on this channel. So for this romance novel, it's just extra special for me, and I'm hoping that it continues like that and it doesn't fade into something else. So we'll see, but I'll definitely give you that. So I also did my classic video, which will be out before this. Go check it out. So it's basically what I read so far, as well as my TBR for the rest of the year. So I was basically doing that, so it's ready to go. So I'm gonna start uploading. My internet is still slow, painfully slow, guys, but I'm gonna definitely start uploading it, and you guys will see it before that. So yeah. So I'm in here getting more paint, and I mixed up. I thought I got to put the paints from Lowe's, so I went all the way to Lowe's, and they looked at me like, no, this is a Home Depot paint. And I'm like, and they don't have nothing that they will completely match. It would take them forever, so I had to come all the way back to Home Depot to get the exact same paint. So yeah, I thought they carried the same brands, but they don't. So not happy about it, but It's almost done, and now I gotta get something to eat. I'm really, really hungry. So yeah. Yep. I'm tempted to get some more plant, but my house is too hot, and some of my plants are suffering from the heat. So I don't think I want to add any more plant until like September when the heat goes down. But right now I just can't even tolerate it. My plants are like, no babes, this ain't it. So, yep, I'm waiting. Target, guys. Some of these cotton boards are kind of pricey for what it is. Especially the size. Look how small this is. And I don't even know if the wood is a good quality, so I'll have to pass on that. So about a new coffee maker, the Nespresso. It seems like nobody carries the pots. So you only can buy from them. That's kind of suck because you can only get it in 10. And you know, what if you don't like the flavor, then you get stuck with 9. So maybe all of them sell it like that, I'm not sure. But yeah. Let me hurry up and get out of here because I still didn't eat a damn thing. I don't even know what I want to eat yet. Yeah. Let me get out of here. Bye, Target. 9:30 and I have not been home yet. I'm waiting on my Indian food, so I decided on Indian. Might not be a good idea because you know it's spicy, but I haven't had Indian in a while because they had closed this restaurant down. So now it's back open. So I'm super happy about that because the food is so good. It's like a infusion. It's not really just Indian. They sell Indian, Chinese, and Thai. So, but I always come and do the Indian stuff. It's so good. But yeah, it's people in here, guys. So the restaurant's open, but I'm taking my food home. I can't believe I'm still out here at 9:30. I haven't eaten anything. That just sucks. Yeah, but I can't do too well. I mean, yeah, guys. Hey guys, so let me turn the fan off a little because it's gonna be too loud. So it's been a long day, guys. You don't understand. I finished the bathroom. I think it's okay. Me and painting. Anyway, and the book. So, guys, I feel like she's gonna break my heart with this book. It's just. The actress in this, the main character, one of the main characters, she has an illness and it's causing issue now. It's just like, oh, don't tell me she's gonna try to kill her, or make something real tragic happen to her. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this, but I'm hanging on. Yeah, I was supposed to go to winery, but I might have got canceled on, which is so funny because normally I'm the one canceling, but it looks like she might be the one canceling this time around. So I might not actually make it to the winery, but if I don't make it to the winery, I'm just gonna go store and buy my own wine and chill and do some writing for my vlog, my blog post tomorrow. Yeah, I have it. I just need to start editing and work on it, and get some self-posed photo of myself because I don't have a photographer right now. Again, yeah, struggle. But I did a whole lot today, guys. I cleaned. I mopped cleaned all the bathrooms. Laundry is almost done. Yeah, it's a Saturday adulting, and I am doing some reading. I do some journaling as well. But I'm gonna see if I could go outside because it might not be that hot, I think. But I'm gonna go outside and enjoy outside before it rains. It's supposed to rain later, but it's really nice and sunny right now. So that's what I'm gonna do. But yeah, on to next. Hey guys, so I realized I didn't really show you guys the bathroom. Now, this is one of those half bathroom. It's just a toilet and mirror. But the paint job, I mean, yeah, I know. I still don't like painting, but it looks so much brighter in here and the walls are so much cleaner. So I'm glad I was able to get it done. I think this is it. I don't think I'm attempting any more painting job because my arms are still hurting and it's just, it's enough for me. But every time I complete one, I feel better. I'm like, okay, look at the walls. I got it done. You know, then I'm like looking for flaws and I'm like, did I do it? You know, then I'm like, oh, it's not so bad. You good? So yeah. So I'm about to record the Instagram video for a journal move for the summer because I need to have that up today, and then I am going to finish cooking and then do my wrap up of the book. Oh yeah. All right, guys. I need a drink. This is some Prosecco Rose. Yeah, that book put me through some emotional. I just knew some death was gonna happen. The way she was putting the story, I was ready for a tragic ending. I was really, but I enjoyed it. What I enjoy the most is how it talks about living in your best life, in a, even if tragedy is there. And in this, you see how Neva, she is an aspiring actress who got the big opportunity to be in this movie that is she is going to be portraying a woman named Bessie Blue. So Bessie Blue is a combination of different women from the Harlem Renaissance era. You see, you know, the Billie Holiday, Ella Fitzgerald, all those ones that were there during that time, and so bits and pieces of things that have happened to them when they were performing and trying to get in the industry. That is this character. So for me, because I am a lover of the Harlem Renaissance, this book really was intriguing and very interesting for me, and I got a lot out of it. Now, the romance between Cannon, so he is named after Cannon, the camera, you know, and because of his mother's passion for light, visual, and you know, capturing memory, that his name becomes special. Now he is a director that has in the past got entangled with an actress that ultimately could have ruined his career, and he learned from it. So getting involved with an actress, especially a no-name actress, was not a smart idea for him, but he knew something was special about her, and as much as he tried to fight his affection, he could not. He fell for her. The romance was slow burn for me because it wasn't instant, because there was that whole I cannot get involved with you from both angles. As an actress breaking in the movie industry, you don't want to get involved with a director because it looks like that's how you got the movie. Then you have a director who is trying not to get caught up in a similar incident that happened to him in the past. He doesn't know her. He doesn't know her intention or what she might, you know, use against him in the future. But she's a good girl. Everybody love her. She's just a lovable character. But she has scars from her past with her sister and her mother. So she's out there in the world alone. But she does have people who gravitate to her and love her. Her people she met through the acting on Broadway and all that. So there's bits and pieces of this where you really get to know the character. So when the romance did happen, you wanted to happen because you were just like, oh, about time, you know, that kind of deal. And you felt the love amongst them. But when there's that tragedy incident where the main character, she's struggling with an illness, lupus, you get to learn more about the disease, because honestly I didn't know as much, and how it affects certain people and what can cause different level of lupus, which I didn't know of. I thought that was interesting, and I thought that she added something to the story that we all can learn from if we're not familiar with that disease. So I enjoyed it, reading about it. Again, there's that moment where you thought, you know, tragedy was going to really hit, so you hanging on to it to the very end. And she gave you something. She gave you something extra, something different than that we need sometimes in romance to make you keep going. But I really enjoy the historical part of this book, of the character Bessie Blue, even though we know she's not real. It's just a combination of different people that she's emulating, talking about certain things in terms of love. She's had 3 great love, and I'm not going to tell you what it is because it's a little spoiler, but like how she talks about those love. And we always have these when we think and reflect on our life. Did we have a great love? Did we lose a great love? Or did we not have that opportunity to explore that great love? It's that makes me think. And for me, because I write in also my own life when it comes to love and romance, sometimes I think about certain things of my past. You know, it had me there. It had me really thinking about a lot of things. Sorry about the light. is Mother Nature out here. So likes to coming in and out. But I like books that do that, and again, it just feeds more into my love for that time period, for the Harlem Renaissance, and I just like how she was able to do that. So if you haven't read it, definitely pick it up. It is a little longer. It's not short, but there's so much going on that you don't feel it. I think it's still a quite fast paced, and I think she did a good job. Give you the steam. There are some steamy moments if you into that, but it wasn't to be over the top steam. There's more content about the story than ooh, all right. More content about the storyline more than erotic stuff. So I think she did a good balance in that. But I mean, Kelly Ryan, she still got it, and this is the first book in a series. So I'm assuming she's gonna write other characters that was in this. And I would love to see her best friend, maybe one of the producers that was friends with Cannon, maybe, I don't know, but I would love to see where she's gonna take this on, as far as is it going to be a completely different characters or characters related to the series that she's going to make two about. I don't know, I haven't researched to see what she's doing, but this is definitely a thumbs up for me, and I'm going to enjoy the rest of this and get inside before these bugs get me. And thanks for watching, guys, and have a good day.